Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Liz. In today's video, I am bringing you a cool, fun little DIY. If you do not know, I am here in sunny San Diego, back to my hometown, visiting family. I'm actually having my wedding next week, so that's why I am down here. And it's also not so sunny today. I feel like I brought the rain from Virginia here because it doesn't rain very often in San Diego, and of course, the 1 week that I'm here, it's raining. So fingers crossed that it doesn't rain on my actual wedding. But anyway, I am going to be showing you guys how to make boutonnieres. We are using these in the wedding for the groomsmen, and I figured I would just share. Maybe you have an occasion where you want to make a boutonniere, and now you're going to know how to do it. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you, and let's get into the video. Okay, so what you're going to need is, I'm doing a succulent one, so you're going to need some type of succulent plant. We just have this one, and we're just cutting off little pieces so they look like this. And then you're going to need floral wire, wire cutters, you're going to need floral tape, scissors, and then we're using these fake leaves, and then we're also using these fake blue thistles, which are really cute. So that's everything we need. This is actually very easy. Oh, and we're also using baby's breath. So the succulent and the baby's breath is live, and then we're using fake leaves and fake blue thistle, but you can use whatever you want. And then you're going to put it all together, and it's going to look something like this. These we're going to use for all the groomsmen at my wedding next week, but if you're going to homecoming, or your kids are going to any school dance or anything, you guys can make these instead of buying them. The floral shops want like 20 bucks for one of these, and you can easily make them yourself. So we're gonna get into it and show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the stem of your succulent for however long you want the boutonniere to be. And then you're going to take your floral wire and you're going to poke it through the stem of the succulent at the very top. You're going to measure down the wire to as long as the succulent stem is, and then go ahead and cut it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the wire and you're going to wrap it around the stem, starting from the top where it's poked in, and you're going to work your way all the way down. Okay, next, taking your floral tape, you're just going to do the same thing that you did with the wire. So you're going to start at the top of the stem, and you're just going to wrap it around the whole entire thing from top to bottom. So the theme of my wedding, we're kind of going with like a succulent floral vibe, so that is why we chose succulents. But if you don't like that, that's not your thing, you can still do this project and make a boutonniere with any flower you want. So keep that in mind, it doesn't have to be a succulent. So this is what it should look like once you have your floral tape wrapped around, and then we are ready to move on to the next step. So this is the fun part. You kind of just get to design it however you would like. So what we are doing is we are having the succulent be our main focal point. Then we are adding a little bit of baby breath in the back just to add some filler. And then we're using 1 to 2 leaves, just depending on how we like it, in the back, and that's going to go up against the guy's jacket, so that's kind of like our background portion. And then we're adding this really cute little blue thistle just to have a little bit of a different touch. And you really just have to move around the flowers and the plants and kind of just design it the way that you think looks good. Once you have a layout that you like, you're going to go ahead and take that floral wire, and starting at the top, you're just going to wrap around all of the stems. So this part is a little bit tricky, but you'll get the hang of it. It's easy, it's just kind of hard to hold all of the stems and wrap the wire around at the same time. But as you can see, as my mom's wrapping the wire around the stem, she's kind of fixing the leaves and putting everything into place. Once you have this wire around, it really is stuck in place, so it's hard to move. So make sure you have everything exactly where you want it before you completely finish wrapping around the wire on the stems. So once you get to the bottom, you just want to use your wire cutters and make sure you cut all of the stems even so there's none hanging out at different lengths. Just make them all the same length, and then continue wrapping that wire around. And then your next step is going to be to use floral tape like we did earlier, and you're just going to cover that wire up the same exact way, starting from the top, working your way to the bottom until the wire is completely covered. And this is how it turned out. I think it literally is so cute, and it was super easy. We were really excited that we were able to make these on our own and not have to go to a floral shop and buy a bunch. So if you ever have an occasion where you need a boutonniere, now you know how to do it, and I totally think you guys can because it is super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. So we did make quite a few different ones, and it was kind of cool because each one turned out just a little bit different. Which was fun. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do try to make these and you have any questions, feel free to comment below and let me know, and I will help you out as best as I can. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!